Hi everyone, thank you for tuning into today's video, and this is going to be the second video in the everything you need to know about Spanish, learning Spanish video. This is going to be a beginner video, so please, if you are an advanced or intermediate speaker of Spanish, this information may be very repetitive. Today we're going to learn the verb ser. Ser means to be. And ser has conjugations for each pronoun. Yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, nosotras, ustedes, ellos, y ellas. And vosotros if you live in Spain, but we don't use that here in the United States. So I'm going to start off by writing ser and what it means. Ser means to be. I apologize. Let me space these out. Ser means to be. Now I'm going to conjugate ser for you. So we will have all the different conjugations of ser. Yo soy, which means I am. Tú eres. There's an accent mark on the U. You are. Él, ella, usted, es. He, she, you, formal, are. And this is you, informal. Now we're on our we conjugation of ser, and that is nosotros. Nosotros somos, or nosotras somos. We are. Our next conjugation of the verb to be is in the you all format. That is ustedes. You all are. And our final conjugation of ser is in the they are boys or they are feminine pronoun, and that is ustedes. Ustedes. Apologize if this is difficult to see. And we have ellos, ellas, son. They are masculine, and they are feminine. And there are many different uses of ser. For example, you can say, I am a man. You can say, yo soy un hombre. I hope that this video was very helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.